They burned our home. They took our queen. They believed we were...
They lost the last battle because they fought the old way. This time hold every ambush point by...
Plithing. The army general sees her for the first time. He does not know what she is yet, but something ancient in his instinct tells him...
He has never been hit in that joint. Not once. In 100 battles. She found it in 3 seconds. More of them this time. The army general came personally, and he brought his entire world. The fire ants are outnumbered 10-1.
Trap 2. The army column breaks for the first time in 100 raids. The fire general allows himself one moment of satisfaction. Just one.
An army is not just soldiers. It is belief. Hold! And when the army ants see their undefeated general kneeling, pang. The army general does not send a patrol. He does not send a raiding party. He brings everything. Analyze the pattern. Divide and flank the perimeter. Keep them off balance. Fire general escaped, rescued by an unknown ant, has never been surprised.
Trap 1. 20 down, 9,980 to go. The general watches from high ground. He nods. Right on schedule.
The general's instinct is to protect her.
But he has learned, in 3 days not,
That this queen does not need protection.
Leave! Take your soldiers! This jungle belongs to the fire colony. Do not return!
She could have destroyed him.
Nobody asked her to train. Nobody told her to fight. She decided. Because she already knows one day she will face the army.
The biggest warrior the jungle has ever produced. And the smallest queen it has ever seen.
Fire ants. We do not promise safety. We do not promise survival. But today, we fight back. She does not promise them safe. Silence. Speed. Precision. Not the fire ant way. Not the old way. The new way.
She anticipated his adaptation. She planned for the plan behind his plan. The baby queen didn't just set traps. She set a trap for his intelligence.
They run. The jungle swallows them whole. And behind them, far, the army colony receives news that will change everything.
3 days after the fall, the survivors emerge from the shadows. Broken, hungry, homeless.
Build! Stronger! Faster! They must never find us here! We shall not yield again! We are fire! We rise!
The army comes with everything they have. The fire ants wait with everything they are. The general bows to a queen younger than his own antenna hairs, and in doing so, he gives every survivor permission to believe again.
He has waited 3 days for rescue. He imagined the fire general coming.
Or the royal guard.
3 days in a prison cell did not weaken him. It reminded him who he is. And today he fights not to survive. He fights to win.
General! The entire army colony is mobilizing. Estimated arrival? 1 hour. That is all the time they have. The fire ants learned from their defeat. They no longer fight like fire ants. They fight like the jungle itself, everywhere.
And then Hunt. She arrives. Small, young, born in hiding, but
He served her mother for 20 years. He will serve her daughter for 20 more. Without question.
He is learning she cannot be beaten with size. He is learning she cannot be beaten with experience. He is slowly realizing something.
She sees what they did to her home. She sees what they did to her mother. And in that moment, something ancient wakes up. She counts, she calculates, she waits for exactly the right moment. Her mother would have charged in fury. She chooses precision.
He is the ant who stood alone against 20. Who bought his queen 40 seconds with his body. The army is gone! The jungle is theirs! And for the first time in 4 days roar, the fire ants
They came to erase us. They burned our home. They captured our queen. They thought fire could be put out, but fire does not